Hey guys, PMHK here. Obviously, now if you're new to the channel, as usual, welcome. If you're an OG, welcome back. I make tech-related videos every week, so if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you go and do just that. Also, don't forget to click the notification bells button so you can get notified whenever I upload a video. Now, not so long ago, I went on YouTube, the community tab, and I posted something that I was waiting for, a package from Amazon. This is the package. Now, here in front of me, I have 4 iPhone 12 accessory, which obviously we're going to be unboxing on this video. Now, these accessories here each costs less than 500 Rand, and I think some of them go as low as 200 bucks. I just don't really remember the prices properly, but obviously I'm gonna have links to all those devices down in the description for you guys to go check it out if you wanna pick one of these guys up. So we're going to start with the first accessories, which is the leather wallet. Now, just a little bit about Amazon. Amazon now have what they call priority shipping. Things normally used to take around 2 to 3 weeks to arrive. Now, they get here as fast as I think maybe 3 days, because I do have a friend who actually shipped from Amazon. I think it took around 4 or 5 days. My package took around a week to arrive, plus minus 7 days, which is actually really good. I just thought I should point that out before we jump into the video. Now, here I have a leather wallet. This is one of those leather wallets for the iPhone. Now, this is not Apple branded wallet. This is just one of those cheaper brands that sell the same MagSafe leather wallet on Amazon. But let me show you guys what comes on the inside. Now, the wallet that I have here, the color that I chose is the yellow one, as you guys can see here. So yeah, that's basically what you need to know about this. I got the yellow one. This is a leather wallet, MagSafe, should attach to the back of my iPhone. That's what leather wallet, MagSafe leather wallet are supposed to do. So let me remove the card that comes in here. I'm guessing 2 to 3 cards are gonna fit in here. Now let's see if it's actually going to do its job properly. All right, so all I have to do is put it at the back, and oh, it actually, that's not that bad, eh? And because for the price compared to the original, I think it actually does the same job. Now, that's basically what this is supposed to do. Let's try it directly on the phone, which should actually probably have a tighter grip. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, so it's stuck there. I actually like the size. Look at how it actually is. The size is a perfect size for the iPhone 12 mini, which is the one that I actually have here with me. Perfect sizing there, if you just can catch that from the side. And the leather itself is actually not that bad for the actual price. It gets stuck hard enough, or it sticks magnetically, or it attaches magnetically to the back of the phone, strong enough for it not to be too flimsy and fall. But at the end of the day, if you're not careful with these guys, you might actually lose them. So that's the MagSafe wallet. Next, we have a little car charger, which is also going to go hand in hand with one of the other accessories that I bought that is down there. Again, price for these guys is down on the links in the description. Now, this guy here is an iNope, make the change, make the difference. What a slogan. Okay, this is supposed to be a fast car charger. I'm assuming it's going to be using a USB-C to USB-C to Lightning, the fast charging cable that comes with your iPhone on the box. Yeah, that's basically it. Let's jump inside and see what comes on the inside. I'm assuming it's going to come the actual charger. Oh, and you actually have a bonus that I didn't think it was going to come with, which I'm going to show you guys just now. So you have some literature, and that's really about it. So this is the guy. This is the charger. This is the car charger. Wow, it comes with, I actually had forgotten, it comes with Q3 USB-A connector as well as a Type-C PD fast charging. So they both are supposed to give you around 18 watts. I think combined would be 36 watts together, if not less. Let's see if you can find anything here about the wattage. The QC 3.0 plus Type-C output maximum is 54 watts. Type-C supports 36 watts fast charging. And one other thing that I didn't know it would come with is the actual Type-C to Type-C cable, which is actually a bonus. And as you guys can see, this guy is braided, which is actually gonna make it last much longer, because when it's braided, it tends to be a much stronger cable, which is a bonus. It's a plus. For the price, again, it is actually a plus. All right, so this is the second accessory, is a car charger for your iPhone, which supports quick charge as well as power delivery. This guy, as I mentioned, is gonna go hand in hand with our next accessory, which is a magnetic wireless car charger. Hopefully we don't have also a car charger itself inside this box. Let's put these things on the side. As you guys can see, this guy is going to be using the MagSafe to hold your phone in your car vent while it's actually charging, which is something that it can actually come in handy if you navigate a lot while driving and you don't have in-dash navigation system. So wireless charging, powerful. It's up to 15 watts power delivery. The iPhone 12, because the battery is much smaller compared to the bigger brothers of the iPhone, only supports up to 12 watts. But if you have anything bigger than that, it's also going to be suitable for that device itself. All right, let's see what's inside this almost torn apart box. All right, so let's throw that on the side. You have the main guy over there, and under you have a USB-A to USB-C connector. All right, so that's basically what comes inside. And you also have this kind of a car vent to ball head connector, which is going to go behind this device here, which is where the MagSafe device or the MagSafe behind the iPhone 12 will attach. And you have this guy here that will attach on your car vent, and the ball head most definitely goes behind there. Let's put this rubbish on the side. All right, so other extra cable there, and then you have the main guy here, which is white and kind of a silver, made out of plastic. This guy here is also made out of plastic, no, not aluminum or any metal. So this guy here would attach right here if I just loosen this guy up. Okay, there we go. So the tighter this guy here, the less the ball head should be moving. And then for you to attach it behind your or on your car's vent, you just press this little part here in the bottom. Since there is a spring over there, it's going to open and slam closed. Now let's see if actually the magnetic connection between the accessory itself and the iPhone is as strong as it should be. All right, wow, okay. This is actually quite strong. This is most probably 10 times stronger. Okay, maybe 10 is a lot. Let's just say 5 times stronger than the wallet attaches here. I mean, they also had enough space for them to work with to put a really strong magnetic connection. Wow, I like how strong it is. I can actually confidently put this in my car and have my phone there, as you guys can see. All right, so one other thing is this device here connects via USB-C right there. And then this one is the one that connects on the car charger itself. All right, so it's time to try this thing here in the car to see if it's gonna work, but it should most definitely work properly. As you guys can see, this is the old one I used to have on the car. This one can go off. So we need to plug this one in. There we go. That one is on. We need to also to put this guy where it should go. This is the car charger itself. So we're going to remove the old one. This is the old one I have here from, I think it's from Griffin. So we'll plug in this one. Oh wow, it has a light on it. Can you guys see? Yeah, there's a white light on it showing that it's on. So let's plug the cable. I can actually get a smaller cable to put here since this one is going to be dangling. There we go. Put power there. As you guys can see, also there's a red light blinking there, which is good. And then all we gotta do is put the phone. Got the charging sign there. So yeah, it works. All right, the last package is a mount for the iPhone 12. Again, I mean, this is an iPhone 12 accessories video. This guy here, the way it's gonna work is going to use your MagSafe charger that Apple sells, or even if you have a third-party one that is the same size, might also fit in here, and that's how it's going to charge your phone wirelessly. Now, this guy here is called the Coitech is a stand for MagSafe charger, one hand operation, stable, non-slip, and free positioning. Basically, this is just a stand that's going to use your MagSafe charger, which is something that I actually really haven't been using. At least now I'm going to be able to use it because it's on a stand. I can use it when I go to bed. All right, so let's see what comes inside the box. Again, you have some literature there. I just opened this box the other way around. The item actually just jumped off it. Okay, let's put these guys on the side, and that's the stand itself. A little bit on the light side. I was expecting it to be a little bit much heavier, and as you guys can see, the colors actually match those of the Apple MagSafe charger. They both have this aluminum look on it, and a little rubber piece there where the phone is going to sit, which is actually good. It's gonna stop the phone from scratching if you are using it to charge without the case. So the way you use it is actually really simple. You put the cable behind it, and you pop this guy right there. And for a little bit of cable management, you have a little cable tie or guide down there at the back, and that is pretty much it. We will connect it to the power strip plug, what's or not that I have here, and it should automatically just sit there and charge. It actually looks quite good, eh? But my only concern is the same concern that I actually had with the MagSafe charger itself, is that depending on how you put it, sitting is actually quite easy, but when it comes to actually remove it, everything will actually come off the table unless you find a way to get it stuck maybe on your table, and then you will have it there permanently. So yeah, there you have it. This is gonna be it for this video. Obviously, let me know as usual down in the comments which one of these accessories is the one that you liked the most. Maybe the one that you're also gonna go pick on Amazon for you to buy and try. I'm gonna have the links, as I think I mentioned for the third time, down in the description, which I might actually forget to link at the end of the video anyways, but I'm gonna do my best to do that. So let me know which one is your favorite of the bunch. Otherwise, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, as usual, you go and you do just that. Click the notification bell button so you can get notified whenever I upload a brand new video, and I'm going to catch you guys on my next one. Peace.